stylish design, this Frigidaire personal, single-serve blender is so stylish. The retro design adds a sleek finish to the streamlined design. It complements both modern and traditional kitchen decors. Compact, this powerful blender is a high-powered 300 watt/2300 RPM motor with 2 speeds, which will crush and pulverize ice, frozen fruits, and more. Controls: chrome lever to start and stop the machine, multifunction dial. Quality: heavy-duty stainless steel blades easily make creamy smoothies and milkshakes. Includes blender, mason jar glass, jar, plastic, lid. Make tropical smoothies, strawberry milkshakes or protein shakes with this Frigidaire electric smoothie blender. Comes with 2 jars and lids so that you can enjoy your creations on the go. The blender has a power of 300 watts and is easy to store. Use the retro-style lever to start and stop the machine. Power indicator light goes on to let you know machine is ready to use. Top reviews from the United States. So far so good. Purchased it, then read the reviews, so I'm keeping an eye on it to see if there is any issues. My advice would be to leave any hard frozen items soaking in the liquid you put in the blender so it doesn't work so hard when in use. It's not a very big blender, so you don't want to use it as you would with a larger, higher power blender. Don't rinse the glass mason jar in hot water after using it with frozen items. The change in temperature could cause the glass to break, as that happens with many glassware from time to time. It is true that the mason jar provided is not your standard mason jar, therefore the blade will not fit over just any jar if it does end up breaking. I use the hard plastic bottle more often because it comes with a top to make it a to-go cup. It's BPA free, which is great. I don't leave it plugged and I put it away when not in use and am careful with the cord. And I make sure I take the blender cup off once I'm done using it before unplugging it. Also, I don't plug it in an outlet with any other appliances. As I said, so far so good. Treat it well and use it properly, and keep in mind it's not a big blender, so don't use it like you would with something more high-powered. It blends great, just take care of it. If something happens to it that's not from any fault of your own, well then, c'est la vie. Buy something else that fits your needs. Trial and error. Nothing is perfect. Returning it or getting your money back may be a hassle, so don't waste your sanity on blender.